Alrighty fellas, so today's video we are going to be building the TV series from the 80s, the pickup. Alright fellas, so today's video we are going to be building the TV series from the 80s called Fall Guy. We're going to build Colts Severs, aka Lee Majors, 1983 I believe, GMC K2500, 4-door, 2-door long bed, 3/4 ton, 6-inch lift on 36's pickup truck. We're going to see how close we can get that, the real deal. So head on over to the dealership if you want to copy this build. And you may be able to build it while watching the video. If you know how to do that. Do the split screen. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and spend $20,000 on a fully stock pickup. Now the grill in this is a 84, but who cares? So let's go straight to customization, body. Ain't gonna find that hill at all. Tree hugger. That's one bad thing about this view. It's just a little too far out there. Can't quite judge trees and all that good stuff. Now the interesting part is the eagle on the front. Now I'll show you a photo right here. It's got the blue, the eagle, and that. There's no wrap that's a perfect circle. Oh, probably these. I'm just gonna work on shrinking these turds right down to the size you need. Now, do you want to see what the Fall Guy truck will look like? +5 years old. It probably looked like this if it was sitting out in the middle of nowhere, baking in the sun. Ain't too bad. I'm not a huge fan of that center color there. That's kind of yuck. But I think the hood don't look too bad. Well, that video was a little bit longer than what I was expecting. It ended up being at least 30 minutes of actually filming the video, and then I was able to shrink it up as much as I possibly could. A lot of the commentary, a lot of the talk I was doing, telling y'all what to do and yada yada yada, just way too long, so I had to cut it out. Sorry, but I figured you guys wouldn't want to sit there 6 minutes just adding body parts to the truck. So, yeah, didn't realize how much time I actually kill in the game. So hope this guy's helped you. Turned out pretty good, I think. Runs good. Just not a rock climber, as you can tell in the beginning. Don't forget to check out my 2 groups on Facebook, Battle Creek Outlaws and Chevrolet Outlaws. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.